Welcome to the House of Knives. My name is Carlos Esteves. I'm executive chef of Doggies and More. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fantastic vegan arepa using our whole grain Harina P.A.N. You're going to add the flour, which is made of corn and is gluten free. Then we're going to add the water. We're going to add a little bit of the oil, a little salt. Salt is to taste, okay? So now we're gonna bring everything together, amasando, like we say where I'm from, which is Venezuela. We make sure we don't have any lumps, or there's no dry. It has to have a texture. If you're missing that texture, just add a little more in water. Actually, you can follow the recipe in the back. You gotta make sure you're smiling when you're doing this. You're doing this with love. You do this when you're cooking for family and friends. The best thing you can do is make the food with a lot of love. Get a little bowl, and we're gonna make a little spaceship, and then we do this movement here. And you wanna make sure the dough doesn't break on the sides. You wanna make sure it's nice and flexible, okay? So there you have it. So now we're gonna proceed for the second step, which is the plancha. Now we're gonna add a little bit of the oil, and we're gonna make sure the surface is shiny as a mirror, okay? And then see, the seasoning is very, very important. So we're gonna let it be there for about 5 to 6 minutes, and then we're gonna turn it over. Now we're gonna turn it over. Voila! This is what you're looking for here. Okay, so now another 4 minutes. So now we're gonna, for the fourth step, we're gonna put it on the grill so we can have those very nice marks. Right? We're gonna finish it with the filling. We're gonna have two surprises for you, two vegan surprises, okay? So for the fourth step, we're gonna fill this up. The secret is to halfway, you go, and then voila. See? You're gonna leave a little bit of the dough. You're gonna add some mushrooms. Okay? So we're gonna let this rest here, and we're gonna make our salad. Baby kale, right? Asparagus, green beans. You're gonna cut it really small. Okay, so we're gonna add it here to our mixture. Green peas, right? Some cilantro, shallots, radishes. So we're gonna add some walnuts, citrus vinaigrette, which is citrus and olive oil and vinegar. We're gonna add some salt, olive oil, and then we're gonna mix. This is amazing. Fresh, organic. Everybody's doing vegan, everybody's doing healthy. So come and try our new vegan arepa at Doggies, which is a sensation, or find the recipe at thehungrypost.com.